This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming iCloud is active, and both you and recipients use compatible iOS versions. This avoids sync errors. Now open Calendar and pick an existing calendar or create a new one dedicated to sharing. Tap the info button next to that calendar, then choose Add Person and type an email or pick a contact. This invites them. The system uses iCloud to sync events across devices, so invitations attach permission settings automatically once accepted. Once recipients are added, you set specific permissions. Select View only if you want control or Edit to allow contributions. This controls who can change events. Make sure time zone support is configured so events display correctly across locations and enable alerts for shared reminders. After sending invites, confirm the calendar appears on collaborators' calendars list. If they don't see it, ask them to check their iCloud account and calendar sync toggles in settings. This ensures real-time updates and reduces double bookings. Create events directly on the shared calendar and add attendees so everyone receives updates. Include location and notes to reduce confusion. To revoke access later, open the calendar's info, swipe a person, and remove them. Changes push to all devices. If events aren't syncing, first confirm iCloud Calendar is enabled, ensure internet connectivity, and that both parties use the same Apple ID region settings. Once done, force quit Calendar and reopen it. If problems persist, sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.